Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily Korean Dose. I'm here to help you learn Korean culture and language, one dose at a time. Every day we'll take just one small dose of Korean. Easy, fun, and practical. And today's dose is the most important word you'll ever learn in Korean. annyeonghaseyo. This is annyeonghaseyo. annyeonghaseyo. It means hello in Korean, but it's not just any hello. It's the hello that you'll use 90% of the time. Let's break it down. annyeonghaseyo, annyeonghaseyo. Try it with me. Perfect. Now, here's what makes Korean greetings special. They're actually questions, not statements. Look at this. annyeong means peace or well-being. The haseyo part makes it a polite question. So annyeonghaseyo literally means, are you at peace or are you doing well? Think about it. In English, we say hello, which is just hello. But Koreans are actually asking about your well-being every time they greet you. In Korea, we bow slightly when we greet. annyeonghaseyo. The bow shows respect. The deeper the bow, the more formal it is. For daily greetings, just a small nod like this is perfect. Congratulations! You just learned your first Korean phrase.